Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So on today's episode, we're going to make lentils, also known as addis. So this recipe really does not require too much. I've got my lentils, oil, 1 large onion, salt, and a cinnamon stick. I'm not making a big batch. I have about 2 cups right here. Let's go get them washed. I've got about 8 cups of water. So I'm just gonna let it cook on a medium low for about 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. We'll just give it a good stir. And I'm just gonna let it cook for about 20-25 more minutes. All right, so it's been about 22 minutes, 23 minutes. All right, go ahead and move it to the next burner so we can mix it. I don't have a mofraga, but I'm just going to use this wooden spoon to mix it for about 3 minutes. Now this is also the best time for you to adjust your salt if you need to add more. So this is a little too watery for my liking. I'm just going to let it cook for about 15 more minutes. All right, this is the perfect consistency. So this next part is 100% optional. I like to take half of my addis mix and put it in a blender. Let's eat.